Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and as we all know, there is a heavy selling going on in the chart of GBP JPY. In this week, during the last couple of trading sessions, GBP JPY witnessed some heavy selling pressure. If you just look at this particular portion of the chart here, then you can just imagine how strong the selling pressure was. And if we look at the overall trend of the GBP JPY, then we can still see that yes, this market is in downtrend. Therefore, if we look at the overall trend and the present trend, then there should not be any doubt in our mind that this market is under the heavy dominance. Yes, my dear friends, heavy dominance of sellers. This market is under the influence of sellers, and as we all know, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. It means that if a market is in uptrend, we should look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. But if you look at the present position of the market here, or the last traded price, which is 149.50, this is the last traded price of GBP JPY, and this level is very important, very crucial for the market. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBP JPY, and let's find out what should be our strategy on GBP JPY for Monday. So let's try to discover everything step by step. So this is the 4-hour chart, and if you have watched my other videos on GBP JPY, then you can easily recognize this line, because I have been talking about this trend line for quite some time, because you can clearly see on the chart that this trend line is a very strong resistance for the market. Whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing resistance from this trend line. So there should not be any doubt that this trend line is a very strong resistance. But you can see that I have also marked a cross here. So this cross signifies that yes, this trend line may be a very strong resistance for the market, a valid resistance for the market. But right now we do not need to focus. We don't need to focus on this line, because on Monday, we just need to focus in this particular portion of the market here, because the current market price or the present position is quite far away from the resistance. Therefore, we will only mainly be focusing on this particular black line only. Clear? So to understand the importance of this black line, we need to go to the weekly chart. Okay. And this is the weekly chart of GBP JPY, and if you just focus on this portion of the chart here, then you can clearly see right now that the picture has changed. In the 4-hour chart, we saw that market is in downtrend, and when we zoomed in, we saw that present market is towards the downside. But in the higher time frame, the weekly time frame, we are seeing that market is in uptrend. And as we all know, weekly time frame is a time frame of the institutional traders, the big players, because the main players who drive the direction of the market mainly trade on higher time frame. In the higher time frame, you can see that this is just a consolidation, and overall market is still towards the upside. And most importantly, you can see that whenever market face selling pressure from above, this was the level that provided support to the market. Therefore, 149.50 is a very strong support for the GBP JPY on higher time frame. Or in simple words, buyers are sitting in this level, buyers are present in this level, and they are not allowing the market to go down that easily. Therefore, we can hope that there is a good possibility that market will be bouncing from this particular level. And you can see that market is respecting this support level. In the case of GBP USD, for example, in the case of GBP USD, you can see that it is trading far below It is trading far below the weekly support here. So the weekly support level is shattered right now because of heavy selling pressure. But in the case of GBPJPY, the things are different. It is still respecting the 149.50 as a strong support for the market. And that's a good news for us. So just mark this level. If you do not have this line in your charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw this line, because right now you have seen that this line is extremely important. And if you go to the Forex sentiment meter here, so this is a Forex sentiment meter. You will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 29% retail traders have taken short position and 70% retail traders have taken long position. It means that 70% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up. But let me take you to one more figure, that is, see where they have taken buy position. They have taken buy position at 151.18. So they have taken buy position mostly at this level. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money, and the main reason why they lose money is that they stand against the trend of the market. So my dear friends, see right now market may be in a good position to go for a buy here, because right now market has come down to the support level from the weekly chart, but this was not the ideal position. So that's why I always say that do not go for blind trade, always trade with proper analysis, always trade with proper understanding of the market. And this is the main reason why I try to explain everything on my videos. Okay, and that's why you should not follow anyone, mainly follow your own analysis. If you think that at any point of time, if you think that I'm wrong, okay, then please point it out and just write it out in the comment section. I would love to learn from you as well. So yes, we should go for a buy here in case on Monday market reverses from here. Listen to me carefully. If on Monday market bounces from here, there is a possibility that market may bounce from here. In that case, you can go for buy order here. But this was not the ideal position where they have already placed the buy order. This was not the ideal position. This was an early entry. Right now market seems to be in a good position to go for buy order. So let the market open on Monday. Okay, listen to me carefully. Let the market open on Monday and see how the price is doing. If you see that the same selling pressure is there in the market as well on Monday, then do not go for buy order. If you see market forming red candles below this level 149.50 level, then don't do anything. Don't do anything. Just wait for 4 to 6 hours and just see how the price is doing. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours as well, market is trading below this level, or if you find market crossing this level 148.50 level, this level is also important. Okay, if you find market trading below this level 148.50 level after 4 to 6 hours, then you can short the market. Listen to me carefully. You can only short the market if you find market trading below this level after 4 to 6 hours, and if you see selling pressure is there in the market. Clear? On the other hand, if you find market respecting this weekly support and trying to bounce from here, then also you can go for buy order. But again, you'll have to put your stop loss below this level, because this level is the most safe level to put your stop loss in the chart of GBP JPY right now. So this is it. And most importantly, my dear friends, I have recently launched a pro trader membership program on my website. You can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities or the best currency pairs that are in the good position to trade right now on a regular basis. If you want to know more in detail, you can just go through all the information and you know what to do next. So that's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again, and trade wisely, trade carefully. Bye bye.